Should I use both search engine optimization and ads to get people going to my lead magnet landing page for my online course business? Absolutely, you should use both. Hi, I'm Rachel Lindteigen, president and founder of Etched Marketing and Etched Marketing Academy. And in today's video, I'm going to walk you through why you should use both. So when we start optimizing, we start using SEO. We choose our keywords, we do our research, we create a better product because we are creating a landing page or an opt-in that is based on what our customer is specifically searching for. We are going in with that research, so we know we're creating something that they want. SEO itself can take a little time to work though. So sometimes we want to help supplement our efforts with some paid ads. Paid ads can be a great thing, whether they be Google ads, LinkedIn, Facebook, Instagram. It depends on where your ideal customer spends their time, which marketing channel is going to make the most sense for you. If you're not sure how to really get to know your ideal customer, I have a video for you. I'll put the link in the comments. That'll help you really get that figured out. So you want to use both because they work together. Sometimes when you're still working your way up Google's page one for your landing page itself, you can buy your way to the top through a Google ad. Same thing with Facebook. Sometimes you want to use ads to get in front of more eyeballs. If you want to grow your business faster, using more than one marketing channel is a really good strategy. You don't ever want to be completely dependent upon one marketing channel. So long story short, yes, use both ads and SEO to get the word out about your lead magnet. It will help you grow faster and get more people on your email list so that you can start nurturing them and turning them into a nice warm audience that wants to buy your products. All right, guys, that's it for this training. If you found it helpful, do me a favor, go ahead and like it, subscribe, and comment below. Let me know, have you tried ads, SEO, or both to get your lead magnet going and get more people on your email list? Have a great day.